Hey everybody, I'm back. It's a new week. It's my birthday week. My birthday's this week. I can't wait. I am so excited for me birthday. I can't. I'll definitely do a scam baiting video for you on my birthday, and I'll get them to sing me "Happy Birthday, you motherfucker." That's what the last one did. Also, I got a few comments basically saying try to shut these down. I'll say, well, I'm doing the best I can. I post our numbers. I call until I can't. If you really want to, help, do your part. Just call them again and again. And part of what I do is just wasting as much time as I can of scammers, even if it's only 5 minutes or even 5 seconds. It's still time. It's still scammers' time, and I am trying to waste it as much as I can. And plus, it's funny seeing them get mad. Let's see if this is. I had one. It was on hold music.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Hello?
Hello, thank you for calling Norton. How may I help you?
Hello? What's your name, sir? I was told to call this number by someone named Brian Johnson. Is this him?
Yes, how may I help you?
Yay! Woo! We got that John Brian! Hey! Oh no, that was kind of bad. Let's try that again. It's Bancho Brian! I have the chicken over there if I need to get it, but I want to try to
Your
use
call is
the
very
horn.
important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the
Maybe
next
I'll just
available
start
agent.
copying what they say and see what happens. I know they hate that. Hello? Alright, hold on a minute.
So how can I help you?
Hello?
Yeah, thank you for calling Norton. How can I help you?
Hello? Thank you for calling Norton. How can I help you? Hello? Hello? Banjoed Brian. Are you Banjoed Brian? Oh my goodness. See, if he's just gonna keep hanging up on me like that, I'm not gonna waste my time with him. I'm not gonna. I mean, there's so many. I can tell there's other people talking to him. So I'm gonna go look for another number. I have the number saved, so if anything, I can go back and call it. I never get this lucky. I found a 1 minute old Geek Squad post on Reddit. This is why you check Reddit, guys. Because you could be the first and only guys to call. No, that's the wrong number. Yeah, that's fun. I mean, we already got Bench O'Brien. That's kind of. I mean, Chris is the rarest one.
Cancellation department. This is Sharon. How can I help you?
Thank you for calling the cancellation department. This is Sharon. How can I help you?
Fucker.
Fucker.
Liquor.
Liquor.
Mother truth.
Matachor. Hello. I said liquor. Like Licker. Like he's an ice cream liquor. That's what I was saying. I would never say that word. Normally I say gorilla unless I.
We're unable to complete your call. To speak to a customer service representative, please hang up and dial
Damn!
star 6.
Damn, that was so good. Alright. There's no way that this number has been. There's no way she blocked me this fast.
We're unable to
Alright, the joy of a Google voice. I need to get like a whole nother phone. And it's just gonna be for calling with. Maybe, I don't know how to get money first. I don't get money that much. I might get a job one day. And yeah, I did get a haircut. I got a lot of it cut. Hello?
Hello. Hi, how can I help you?
क्यों hang up कर रहे हो? क्यों block कर रहे हो? Mother chode. Why'd you block me? Hello? Oh my gosh, let's hurry. Let's call back. I found a new Geek Squad. It's only about 10 minutes old. I'm hoping it works.
Calling support. This is Sam. How may I help you?
Thanks for calling support. This side Sam. How can I help you? Hello? Sam. Are you? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's call him back. He's a dumbass. I'm very tired right now, but I really want to do my part and try to scam bait for you guys. Try to waste some time.
Morning to Best Buy Geek Squad. How can I help you?
Thank you for responding to Best Buy Geek Squad. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
How can I help you?
You can help me by sucking my dick.
You can help me by sucking my dick. Oh! Damn. I got a scammer to say, how can I help you, like 8 or 9 times once, and it was so funny. Oh, it was silent for a couple seconds, and then they realized who it was, and then they hung up. I'm just gonna call this video blasting bike horns at scammers. Just see what happens.
For calling Geek Squad, this is Nick. How can I help you?
Nick, I have something for you.
You have what for me?
I have something for you. Do you want it?
Yeah, I can show you some magic from my end too.
Show me some magic.
You want to see that?
I would love to see that.
Yes.
Show me magic.
I can show you some magic.
Okay.
And that might excite you.
Okay. Show me magic.
Okay? But don't try to act smart with me, okay?
Okay, chutia.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Fuck your mom, you idiot.
Fuck your mom, idiot. Show me magic. No! Damn! No. No magic! Maybe I'll put like an Indian stock image with a magician's hat and wand on in the thumbnail. See what happens.
In the customer support, how can I help you?
Thank you for calling the customer support. How can I help you?
Sir, you are connected with the customer support, sir. How may I assist you
Sir,
today?
you are connected to the customer support. How can I help you? No. Oh man, my bike horn broke. I mean, I could probably put it right back on. I could probably glue this on after the video.
Getting connected with customer support. This is Alex. How can I help you?
Thank you for getting connected to the customer support. My name is Alex. How can I help you?
Who's this?
Who's this? Hello? Hello? Chup kyo ho gaya?
Yes, hello?
Chup kyo ho gaya?
I beg your pardon?
Chup kyo ho gaya? Why are you being quiet, mother chod? Why are you quiet?
Teri maa ki choot.
Teri maa ki chod.
Teri maa ki choot.
Teri maa. I couldn't even finish. Damn it. Basically, what I said to him originally was not abuse. Kyuhogaya means, why are you quiet? Hello? That's a big WhatsApp message. Hello? Hello? Oh, the doors. I mean, call center ambience is good. I gotta do up a video on my phone real quick. Hold on a second.